Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is avocados, and we'll be making a turkey, cheese, and avocado mousse crepe and smoked salmon, pickled red onion, arugula, and avocado mousse crepes. Joining me in our Morris Black studio kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco of St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Lee Chizmar. Now these recipes sound so delicious, so where should we start?
Well, let's go ahead. We'll jump right in with the crepes.
Okay, what exactly is in the crepe batter?
Okay, so we have egg yolks, eggs, flour, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of butter at the end, and that's it.
And
then
that's
I add, a little bit of chives.
And
you
do
can
you just
add
whisk
whatever.
it up?
You whisk it up.
Okay.
It's very, very fast. It's actually a great thing to do for breakfast or lunch for your kids. It's quick, and they really love it. So we're still a little under here, but we've got the heat pretty high.
Okay.
So I'm just going to pull this out, and now you see how it just kind of
it pulls away
perfect.
nice and easy.
Yeah, perfect.
So we just come in.
Now you're brave going in there with your fingers.
Yep,
But there you
Oh,
go.
perfect.
Okay, that's
And
fine.
you can
It's all
still
good.
use this guy. Once you flip it, it's pretty much ready to go.
Okay.
So as that is setting up, I'm just going to come over and grab the avocados.
Okay, and I like how you're cutting your avocado on the cutting board,
Yes.
not in your hand.
So sometimes I
much
just
better,
tap,
yeah.
all right, and then we knock those guys off. But let's come in here, and
This is the flipping. Oh, look at
That
that
one's
one.
perfect.
Nice.
and if you guys want to start and try one more here,
Would you like to pour it in?
Oh, sure.
perfect.
And now I gotta
Yep, swirl it around.
swirl it.
All right, that was actually the perfect amount.
So what are some nutritional benefits of avocados?
Well, avocados have some healthy fats in them, which are really nice. The texture, I think, is one that kids, even young infants, will happily take because it has that nice sort of creamy kind of
Creamy,
texture.
exactly. It's like a dessert.
You can serve it plain. It also blends and mixes well with, I think Chef is going to show us how he's going to mix it into
Good
a
in
bit of...
smoothies too, if you're
Yep.
lactose intolerant, to add a little bit of creaminess.
Yep.
And they're high in omega-3, beta-carotene, so just a real superfood.
So here I have some sour cream. We're going to add a little bit of lime juice to that. From here, we would actually just put this right into a food processor with a little bit of salt, and we would puree that, and then you'd be ready to go. So over here, we have some. We're just going to kind of spread the avocado.
Like you're making pizza.
Yeah.
And this is fun where kids, too, can kind of make their own.
So this is just pickled onions. We have a little bit of dill. We can start with some turkey.
Okay.
I know you're using sliced deli meat, but you could even use, I'm sure, if you had
Sliced
like
chicken
leftover,
breast.
right,
Roasted.
your chicken from the night before or something like
Exactly.
So I'm going to put a little arugula in. All right, so this guy we're literally just going to fold. So now for this one, we can roll these guys up,
Okay.
that. Like your,
almost like a sushi roll.
perfect.
All right. Same thing. I always start with the side that you have your meat on first. So we're just going to line these guys
Oh,
right down the
perfect.
plate
And kids
here.
like things that are sort of in that finger food category that
Yeah.
they can just easily pick up.
Yeah.
And that took no time at all.
Yep. And then for these guys, a little arugula, and then we'll just garnish with a little bit of pickled onions and a touch more fresh dill.
I can't believe how easy this was, how simple this was, and I can't wait to try them. So let's start off with the turkey,
Okay.
the turkey crepe.
And this is finger food, so
Yeah.
we're just going to
So
jump right in.
I'm gonna take this one. There's a lot of avocado.
That's really good.
Mmm.
Avocado makes everything better. This is one that's chef tested, pediatrician approved.
Is that good? All right, should we try smoked salmon?
Yep, let's
This
do
I
it.
can't wait for. I love smoked salmon.
Such a different flavor than the first one.
I was
but
just gonna say that. So different, but we're using the same base for both.